What is up? Okay, I'm in downtown Sevierville. First of all, how cute is this little background? So cute. Okay, so I want to show you Bruce Street and one place that you should try. Actually, you should try everything down here. That white building back there, that's a hotel. There's a honeybee coffee in there. But today we are gonna check out the Appalachian. It's one of our favorite places to get dinner. They have an awesome bar, they have great food, and a super cool vibe. So we're gonna check that out today. Look at this little courtyard, so cute. This is like officially downtown Sevierville, and Bruce Street, it's kind of the, I call it the main street in my mind, but I think there actually is a main street. You hear the Christmas music. So anyways, Appalachian, we're gonna check it out. This is the sister restaurant to the Walnut Kitchen, which is in Maryville. So we are in Sevierville. Isn't this so cute? Look how cute this is. It's one of my favorite places, and we come here quite often. So let's go check it out. What you like about the Appalachian?
I like the bar area. It's really nice. Got a good TV here, big TV.
And the food.
I was saving the best for last.
Oh.
The food is the best, yeah, it definitely is. It's easy parking on this one.
Oh yeah, okay, that's a good point. Okay, so on the menu, the Appalachian burger is so good. They have cornbread with butter, it's so good. I have a weigh-in tomorrow, therefore I can't eat either of those things today because my nutritionist will come after me. However, they're very good. Also, what have you had on here?
I've had the buffalo frog legs are really good. Hummus.
Hummus, yeah, we're about to have
I
that.
did the pork belly, didn't I?
I think we've done the
fried chicken skins.
cheese board too.
Cheese board. I don't do a lot of entrees because it's just a lot of food. They do big portions.
You've had the duck, haven't you?
Yeah, I had the duck.
It's very good. And then also they used to have pimento cheese like in the summertime.
Anybody that serves ducks usually knows what they're doing, and they do. It's good.
This is their drinks, and actually these are different ones than before. They have sangria. Oh my gosh. My red wine that I like is the El Jefe, or Jefe, whatever you call it. Where is it? Where is it?
They probably discontinued it.
I saw it. It's right there. I love it. So good. Oh, spicy Rita. We've had that before.
Yeah, and this is good.
Slow and easy.
It's the best one. Thank you.
This is the butterbean hummus. There's the hummus there. Looking good.
It's almost like a
What did you get?
fried eggplant with spicy sauces and honeys.
We're gonna watch our first bite. No pressure. Don't mess this up.
Well, can you get it cut up?
Good?
Reminds you of a fried green tomato.
Oh wondered about that. It looks like a fried green tomato. Okay, I know this is weird, I'm in the bathroom, but I also love their wallpaper. Super cool vibe. There's no one else in here, don't worry. Ready? Okay, so we just finished our meal at the Appalachian. It didn't disappoint.
It's good. Good stuff.
Okay, what else would you recommend on this street?
I would say
There's basically
it,
Gray's,
Gray's?
and there's a new barbecue place.
Gray's
we
is
haven't tried
good. Yeah, we need to try the barbecue. We've not
Yeah.
tried it. Gray's is good.
Yeah.
I mean, as far as like food, that's all I think right here.
Yeah, I think so. I think there's like a cafe down there, but we haven't tried it yet.
Yeah.
So anyways, yeah, Bruce
There's
Street.
good parking
yeah,
right
good
here.
parking right here behind us. So you gotta try it. Appalachian.
It's easy in and out.
Does not disappoint. 5 out of 5.
It's right.